Alright guys, so we have your standard Yeti 400 here, and I'm just going to show you in this video how you can double or triple the watt hours out of your unit, because these go pretty quick, especially if you're using a lot of watts. So on the side, if you didn't notice, you have Anderson, I believe these are called Anderson connectors, and they're on both sides of this Yeti 400. So what that allows you to do is you can add two of these 12 volt 35 amp hour batteries, because that's exactly what is in this unit. So you can get a couple of these batteries. I have two of them, but you can basically have your new battery here, your 35 amp hour battery, convert. I definitely would put fuses on it just as a precaution and have it convert to Anderson connectors, and then now we can take our Anderson connector and plug it right in, and now we have double the capacity storage on this unit. So now let's double it, now even triple it, by adding a third 35 amp hour battery. So it's the same thing, going to these fuses here to Anderson. Then we're going to go ahead and take this connector, and now we're going to plug it onto our other side here. So now we have three batteries. You got the one inside your Yeti 400, you got the second one and the third one. So now you even have 3 times the watt amp hours you're going to get out of this unit. So there you guys have it. That's how you can not even just double, but 3 times the amount of power storage by just adding 2 more batteries and basically chain them all together so you can get more power out of your Yeti 400 and for it to last longer as well.